Okay, so these four hand grippers are the most famous hand grippers in India and Amazon पे आपको इन चारों के कोई ना कोई एक वेरिएंट मिल जाते हैं. Today we are going to be comparing all of this and recommending you which one you should buy and which one you should not, because some of them are really bad. So first let's begin from the worst hand gripper, which are these foam hand grippers जो आपको Amazon पे मिलते हैं. इनका basically एक foam handle होता है, that's all. I'm saying these are the worst hand grippers because just listen to this. This hand gripper literally sounds like a frog. Mind you, this is not a new hand gripper, this is quite old. If you can see this properly, this is quite old. However, this is basically worthless because I have not used this hand gripper as much, and as you can see इस पे काफ़ी बुरी तरह से rust पड़ गया है, and also it is making this weird noises. On top of that, the tension on this hand gripper is just too easy, you know, like for any adult person, male or female, I think even for females this is too weak. Let me show you इसका actually tension कितना है. तो Amazon पे तो इन हैंड ग्रिपर्स का कितना टेंशन है वो तो बोला नहीं जाता. अभी टेस्ट करते हैं, ठीक है. बेसिकली आपको ऐसे वेट मशीन के ऊपर ऐसे रख के इसको एक और हाथ से ऐसे प्रेस करना है, एंड एज यू कैन सी इसका टेंशन इज कमिंग आउट टू बी अराउंड 20 kgs. अभी ये 20 आ रहा है, बट कुछ देर पहले इसका टेंशन जो है इट वाज कमिंग अराउंड 15 kgs ऑफ टेंशन, विच इन माय ओपिनियन is not enough for most people. So I would say avoid these foam hand grippers as much as possible. Moving on to the better category, we have this wooden hand grippers. I've had these hand grippers for around I would say 1 साल, and as you can see कि इन पे कोई भी sound नहीं है as compared to these ones and these ones. As you can see इन पे ज़्यादा कोई sound नहीं है. So these have aged and lasted well, I would say. इस पे जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कि रस्ट वगैरह भी कम फॉर्म किया है एज कम्पेयर टू दिस. यहाँ पे यार बहुत गंदा रस्ट पड़ गया है, जो भी हो. ग्रिप ऑन दिस वुडन हैंड ग्रिपर्स आर एक्चुअली नॉट बैड बिकॉज ये वुड सरफेस ये एक्चुअली काफ़ी अच्छा ग्रिप देता है. आई वुड से आउट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दीज हैंड ग्रिपर्स these give me the best grip. Yes, these give me a better grip than the steel hand grippers. थोड़े ही बाद में आपको बताता हूँ, but I really like the grip on this thing. जब हम ऐसे grip करते हैं ये आपके हाथ में slip नहीं करता. These hand grippers also have a same problem like these hand grippers कि ये ज़्यादा resistance आपको provide नहीं करता. ओके तो अभी मैंने weighing scale के ऊपर एक मैट रखा हुआ है बिकॉज ये वुडन हैंड ग्रिपर काफ़ी इस सरफेस के ऊपर स्किड कर रहा है. तो अपॉन मेजरिंग दिस लेट्स सी कितना आता है. तो एज यू कैन सी ये आपका अराउंड 24.95, मतलब कंसिडर कर सकते हैं कि वुडन हैंड ग्रिपर अराउंड 25 kgs ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस आपको देता है. नाउ दिस वुडन हैंड ग्रिपर इज गिविंग यू मोर रेजिस्टेंस एज कंपेयर टू दी foam hand gripper, but I still think these for most people, for most male adults, it's not really enough resistance because you could do this all day and it's really not difficult. So I would say if you're confused between a foam hand gripper and a wooden hand gripper is much better. इसके बाद है one of these adjustable hand grippers जो आपको Amazon पे बेसिकली मिलता है, एंड इनका मेन डिफरेंस विद वन ऑफ दिस स्टैटिक हैंड ग्रिपर्स की ये स्टैटिक है, रेजिस्टेंस चेंज नहीं कर सकते. इसमें तुम यहाँ पे एक नॉब है, इसको ऐसे घुमा के यू कैन मेक दिस फ्रॉम 10 kgs to 40 kgs. However, the adjustment on this thing is very clumsy. बहुत टाइम लगता है to adjust from 10 kgs to 40 kgs. अभी ये 40 kgs रेजिस्टेंस पे है, ठीक है. This feels moderately tight and good to grip. However, जब मैं इसको 10 kg करूँगा, watch this. ओके तो अभी ये 10 के रेजिस्टेंस पे है, एंड जस्ट लुक एट दिस. What is this? I mean, a literal child can do this. A literal child can do this shit all day long, man. So these hand grippers are better used at 40 kgs, not 10 kgs, 20 kgs. At 40 kgs, it is moderately tight, but ये true 40 kgs नहीं है. Let me show you. All right, तो as you can see यहाँ पे लिखा है 10 to 40 kgs, right? अभी देखो अभी ये 40 kgs पे है, but it will not really show 40 kgs. Watch this. Okay. सो ऐसे रख के So as you can see, it's showing the exact same resistance of 25 kgs and not really 40 kgs. Amazon पे कुछ comments देखे थे, they were saying कि यार ये तो देख के 40 kgs का नहीं लग रहा, कि ये this is too easy, this is too easy. This is too easy because this is not 10 to 40 kgs. This is probably like 5 to 25 kgs. So this is not a true 40 kg hand gripper. However, I will say कि if you're looking for a beginner hand gripper, your grip is really not that strong, then I think this should be your first hand gripper. The main reason is कि because आप इसका resistance 25 kg से भी कम कर सकते हैं if you need it. Let's say you're a teenager, let's say you're a female, आपका grip strength उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं है, then you can also reduce the tension from 25 kgs to let's say 20 kgs or 15 kgs or 10 kgs. So in that way, I think buying this adjustable hand grippers will be better than buying this one or this one. However, one thing that I will say is that ki durability में comparing this to this, I think this will be much more durable. I've had this thing for around 1 year, 1.5 years now. No sign of wear and tear, कोई भी rust वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है. The grip on this is still solid. This is a whole rubber build, ठीक है, plastic और rubber build है basically. तो this will, अगर आप रोज ऐसे करते हैं, this will break down much more quicker as compared to this. अगर आपको बस एक normal hand gripper चाहिए which will last a very long time, you can get this. But if you're serious about grip training, I would say starting from 10, 15, 20, 25 kg, then moving on to something like this will be much better. Okay, so the last hand gripper on this list is this basically steel metal hand gripper, and the main advantage of this hand gripper over all of these hand grippers is that इसमें जो resistance है, I think this will be ideal and hard enough for most people. यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे होंगे, it is saying कि this is a 150 lb resistance, which means kilograms में this will be around 68 kilograms of resistance, right? मतलब समझ लेते हैं कि 65 से 70 kg के अंदर कुछ भी हुआ, then this is pretty accurate. But this is way off. Let me show you. Okay, so this hand gripper right here, as you can see, says 150 lb of resistance, right? But this is not even close. Let me show you. As you can see, 39.95, which means this is a 40 kg resistance hand gripper, not a true 150 lbs like this says. This is around a 95 to 100 lb hand gripper. This adjustable hand gripper tells you this is a 10 to 40 kg, but in reality this is like a 25 kg, and ये बोलता है आपको 150 lbs मतलब around 68 kgs, but ये है actually 40 kgs. इन पे जो resistance tension लिखा हुआ है, they don't accurately match, and this is not a true 150 lb hand gripper. However, I will say कि the tension on this hand gripper is actually very good. मैं also a surprising thing about this hand gripper, मैंने सोचा था कि इस पे यार knurling है तो this will be the best grippy one, but in actuality this is the worst gripping hand gripper that I have ever used. Just look at this. If I place it on my hand and try to press, ये मेरे हाथ से ऐसे slide down करता है, whereas this hand gripper, no problem at all. Even with the wooden one, no problem at all. Even with the foam hand gripper, no problem at all. But with this hand gripper, मैं जैसे इसको प्रेस करने जाता हूँ, this moves down my hand like this, and मैं इस पे पूरा प्रेशर नहीं लगा पाता हूँ. तो I would say in terms of grip, this is not good at all. These hand grippers are much better in terms of grip as compared to this. I think you should buy this for your own and try it yourself, because मुझे तो एकदम knurling पसंद नहीं आया, but maybe you will like it. So now the main question, which hand gripper should you buy? ठीक है, first of all इस hand gripper को लो और ऐसे फेंक दो, because ये एकदम useless है. The wooden hand grippers is for people who are not super serious about grip training or building huge forearms, which I don't have, so I can't show you. If you just want to normally train your grip at home, आपको बस ऐसे hand gripper के exercises करने हैं, for that purpose the wooden one is very good. This will last a very long time because it has lasted me a very long time with minimal wear and tear, I would say. This adjustable hand gripper should, I think, mainly be bought by people who are very weak, mainly be bought by, I think, women and teenagers जिनका grip strength उतना अच्छा नहीं होता, because इसमें भी 25 kg का resistance है, इसमें 25 kg का resistance है, and this in terms of quality, just quality, I think is much better than this. So I think as an averagely strong man, you should buy this instead of this. However, if you think कि आपका grip उतना strong नहीं है, then you should go with this adjustable hand gripper because इसको आप 20 kg 15 kg वगैरह भी बना सकते हैं. And if you're serious about grip training, then you should buy one of these. ठीक है, these should not be your first hand gripper. I think this should be your first hand gripper, this one or this one. These should be your second hand gripper. But you know, if you're a normal guy, you are averagely strong, आप deadlift वगैरह नहीं करते, then I don't think कि आप पहले ट्राई में इसको क्लोज कर पाएंगे, and it might be very very difficult for you like it is for me. Unfortunately, इंडिया में अच्छे ऐसे मेटल हैंड ग्रिपर्स नहीं है. यूएसआई एक बनाता है जो 200 और 300 lbs of resistance का है, but I think those are for only professionals. Only professional will be able to close them. अगर आप इसको मास्टर कर लिया, then you can move on to the USI one, which will be much more difficult because USI का है 200 lbs of resistance, which is around, let's say, 90-95 kgs. And I have seen comments on Amazon saying कि that hand gripper is much more difficult than this to close this. USI का जो hand gripper है, that is almost double in tension as compared to this. तो अगर आप इसको मास्टर कर लिए, देन ओनली मूव ऑन टू द यूएसआई वन. अगर आप इसको विच इज अ 40 kg वन, इसको अगर आप मास्टर नहीं किया है, डोंट मूव ऑन टू द यूएसआई वन, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू क्लोज इट. अभी अगर आपको इन तीनों हैंड ग्रिपर्स में से कोई भी खरीदना है, आई विल मेंशन एवरीथिंग इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. आई विल मेंशन ऑल द लिंक्स बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. एंड अगर कोई और हैंड ग्रिपर है विच आई मिस्ड, मेक श्योर टू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स. आई विल 100% रिव्यू इट फॉर यू गाइस. अभी आपको अगर मेरे होम जिम में और भी कुछ पसंद आया, जैसे कि स्क्वाट रैक, बारबल या weight plates, then go check out this videos right over here. This channel is dedicated to reviewing home gym equipments in India. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.